Welcome, in front of me is a Philips 6200 series TV, and today I'll show you how to force restart the device. So if your device is unresponsive, you can just simply grab the cable and just unplug it. As you can see, it gets turned off, obviously. And before you plug it in, you might want to wait about 2-3 minutes for the power to drain from the TV before plugging it back in. But for this purpose, we're just going to simply plug it back in immediately, just so we don't have to wait. And once you do, you can then turn it back on. Or it looks like it's going to turn on itself. And as you can see, we're back in. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.